Well, if you've been watching my channel recently, you'll know that I've been in the process of dechroming my 2022 Toyota Tundra, and I've already taken care of all the hard parts. I've done the chrome grille surround, the door handles, the window molding, the rear bumper caps, and the tailgate handle, and now we're to the last piece of the puzzle, which is also going to be the easiest part, and that is the badging. We are using a kit from the Yoda Garage. We've got the Toyota emblem here that goes on the grille, Tundra lettering, limited lettering, and 4x4 lettering that go on the sides and the back. They also have a kit that is sold for the SR5 model. So I got the limited kit. If you want to check it out, a link is in the description below, as well as install tutorials and the rest of the parts to do the rest of the dechrome on your 2022 Toyota Tundra. So here's a look at the part that we're going to be installing. You'll see that it's got this little red tab on either side. You're just going to pull that off, and it's going to expose a sticky tape that we can just apply directly on the chrome emblem. Makes the installation incredibly easy. Of course, the first step of the process is to clean the emblem. So I've already washed the truck just to get it kind of to a good starting point, and then we're going to use some rubbing alcohol. Got a 91% solution here. We're going to take a cloth. We're going to get some of that rubbing alcohol on there, and then we're just going to rub the emblem really good. Get it nice and clean. If there's anything on there, just rub that off. This is just cleaner the surface is, the better the new emblem is going to adhere to this. So we're just going to rub it real good on all those edges. And then once we've done that, we're going to take a dry cloth. We're just going to rub the emblem and get it nice and dry. Once that's dry, we're going to take these red tabs. We're just going to pull off that little piece. We're going to take this, we're going to line it up perfectly, and we're going to push it on. We'll start in the middle, rub it on real good, and we'll work our way to the outsides. There we go. And we'll do the same on all the other parts. And we'll do a quick walk around with the blackout of the badging complete. You can see that the black lettering and badging blends in a lot nicer than that chrome, which really stuck out quite a bit before. I think it looks a lot better now. And as you can see, super easy installation, only took 5 to 10 minutes. Now, one big question I do have now that the rest of the dechroming is done is what to do about this TRD 4x4 off-road badge. You guys think I should leave it or take it off? Love to hear what you think in the comment section below. 4x4 matches the Tundra lettering nicely. Really makes you wonder why Toyota didn't just do this to begin with. Sure looks a lot better back here. I think this was a very worthwhile upgrade. And with that, the Blackout on the Tundra is complete. Sure looks a lot better, and it would have been nice if Toyota would have sold it this way from the factory, but at least the parts are out there to make this happen. Again, links to all the products are available in the description below. If you guys enjoyed today's video or if it was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And for more videos of the Toyota Tundra, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.
Bonfire.